In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract the saved wireless password from your computer. First, I will show you an easy way to find a password to the Wi-Fi network you are connected to right now. Then I will show you how to view a list of all the wireless networks you have been connected to in the past and how to reveal the passwords. So let's get started. First, let's say that the Windows 10 computer you are using right now is connected to a Wi-Fi, but you need to find out the Wi-Fi password so you can get to another computer. What I will show you right now will only work if you are an administrator on your computer, but if you're not sure, try it anyway and it might just work. Click on the Start menu. Now type Control. Click on Control Panel. And when Control Panel window opens, look at the top right corner and make sure that this is set to large icons. Now, click on Network and Sharing Center. You should be looking at the network you are currently connected to. It should say Connection Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi name. If you do see Wi-Fi here, click on it. A box will appear telling you how long you have been connected to the Wi-Fi. Click Wireless Password, then click Security, and this is where your Wi-Fi password is. Click the box for Show Characters and the password will be revealed. Now, let's see how to bring up a list of all the wireless networks your computer ever connected to and reveal their passwords. We need to right-click on the Start menu and click Windows PowerShell Admin. The PowerShell window will appear and you'll see a blinking closure waiting for you to type something in. Type in the following: NETSH show profiles. Then press enter. This is the list of all the networks I have joined on my laptop. I am interested to find a password for this Wi-Fi, so I'm going to make a note for the exact name. Now we need to type in another command. NETSH WLAN show profile name, and here we write the profile name we choose, which is the room, key equal clear, and press enter. Here we can see all the information we need and some technical information, but we are interested in the security settings and this line here, key content. So this value is the Wi-Fi password. Once you have made a note of this, you can close the PowerShell and you can see if you can get your other device connected to the Wi-Fi using this password. Hopefully one of these methods works for you. Please let me know in the comment below which one you were successful with. And please give this video the thumbs up if it helped you. And if you like to see more videos like this in future, please hit the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching.